Hey everyone, so long time no video, just making one real quick. Well, I don't know, it's just a review, but let's see, I'm trying to, I don't know, just something to show you. But I got my EFI or DSP5 EFI Live, all 5 stages of, you know, the tunes. I can tell, like, just having one, you know, you're like, oh, this is quick, this is fast, but then as soon as you get the 5 tunes, it's like a world of difference. Like, it's crazy. Like, for me, I was just like, I don't really need 5 tunes. It will just, you know, I'll be fine with 1. But now that I did 5, holy cow, it's like a world of difference. And I hid, or what we did was, we put the switch kind of by my brake controller, so you can't even tell, you know, it's not right. Usually people put it right here or here or over here. Sometimes they put it in here, but I got mine right here. This is where they wanted to put it. At first I was kind of like, I don't know. But now that I have it down here, it's pretty easy to get to. You can change all of them, right? It's kind of sucky with it's right there. So, oh my gosh, trying to get the camera in there. But yeah, that's 5. But it's a little secret. Now no one, you know, obviously will get in my truck and I can just turn it to 5 or 1 or whatever. But it changes, like, the first, you change it to, obviously the first one's stock, then it's heavy tune, then third one is light tune, or second one is heavy toe, the third one is light toe. And let's see if I can just show you this picture of what I got. It's a lot easier than telling you. But yeah, there's all the tunes. The number 4, I've been getting the best gas mile or fuel mileage. Number 5 is, it's like a whole nother level of tuning, but oh man. But yeah, this is from Adrenaline Performance here. It's in Shelley, Idaho. I recommend them. Talk to Cam Holz or Tara that work there. They're great to work with. They got it in early, like literally called them in on Monday. They got me in on Tuesday. Did it all, had it done before, they even called me and they had it done like before noon. So I recommend it, and it's so nice. Like, I've been getting I'm probably getting like about 19 miles per gallon right now. I haven't really tested it on the freeway or anything like that yet though, but that's just kind of in town. But yeah, I would definitely obviously do it. If you had to choose between doing a 5 and a 1, just go save your money and go for a 5, because then you don't have to go back and tune it again. But it's well worth it. So that's just kind of my review and kind of my opinion on doing it. So just do it all at once, save your money. But yeah, you know, you can go with Corey Willis, or I've been hearing a lot of people talk about Ridge Runner, stuff like that. But I would say it's just a great choice. So yeah, sorry, it's kind of just a short video, nothing too exciting, but I'll try to make like you can see me, or you know, just show you from a other point of view, like doing a burnout or something like that. So give this video a like or a subscribe. I'm trying to make more videos. Obviously, I've kind of been in a job switch, so I haven't been able to buy anything, which kind of sucks. But yeah, sorry about that. But yeah, I'll try to make more videos, you know, sooner than later. Cool, peace.